Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make chicken gravy to put on my cornbread dressing. This is a very simple recipe, it's very easy, and it will take you no time at all. So let's go ahead and get into the video. The ingredients you will need are chicken broth, chicken bouillon powder, a stick of butter, and about a half cup of flour. So in a saucepan, we're going to go ahead and melt our butter. And we're going to add in the flour a little at a time while whisking. Once we've worked that in, we're going to add in the chicken broth while whisking. And we're going to do that until we reach the desired consistency. I'm going to go ahead and bring that to a boil. Let it thicken up. And then we're going to add in about a tablespoon and a half of chicken bouillon powder. As well as a little bit of poultry seasoning. For me, I like the consistency to be more thin, so I'm going to add in a little more chicken broth. But you just work with it. Add the chicken broth until you reach the consistency that works for you. And this is the consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off. And I have a turkey wing portion that I'm just going to plate up. Put some dressing on top. And then add that gravy over the top of all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody has an amazing Thanksgiving. I have some more recipes that will be coming out before then, so please stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, everybody have an amazing day.